Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on mathematical logic, lecture number 7, which will include quantifier. We firstly know what is quantifier. From the term quantifier, we know how many of a certain set of things is being considered. Means how many quantity, how much, all denotes the quantity of a thing. So it means that we may measure the thing, or we may think that what is the amount of that thing. We generally denote some, no, all. These denote the quantity of things. Means these act as quantifier. For example, some people are honest. Some means not all, but it denotes quantity. Number 2, no omen is clear. It denotes also quantifier. No means 0. All Americans are crazy. It denotes all, means all the things, all the substances, all men, means total set. These denote the quantifier. We have two types of quantifier. Number 1, universal quantifier. Number 2, existential quantifier. We shall define one by one what is universal quantifier and what is existential quantifier. Now we describe about universal quantifier. This type of quantifier indicates the term for every, or for all, or for any element of a certain set. The proposition is true. In symbolic form, it is represented by the symbol. This is the symbol for all. Let P be a statement. Then the symbol for all x, P, means for every value of x in the given set, the statement P is true. Example, let P is a statement which says that n plus 4 greater than 3, n belongs to capital N. Capital N is the set of natural number. Then the statement for all natural numbers, n plus 4 greater than 3 is represented in the symbolic form as for all n natural number, statement P, this is the symbol, where n belongs to capital N and P is the statement n plus 4 greater than 3. Now we describe about existential quantifier. This type of quantifier indicates for one or more element, for one or more element of a certain set, the proposition is true. In symbolic form, it is represented by the symbol, this is there exist. The existential quantifier is usually read as, we read there exists or for at least one or for some. These are the denotation for the existential quantifier. Example, let P is a statement which says that x square minus 4x equal to 16. This is a statement. Then our statement, there exists a number x such that x square minus 4x equal to 16 is represented in symbolic form as follows. Here we have the statement P, the statement x square minus 4x equal to 16. Here we have added something, there exists a number x such that, with this statement. So in symbolic form it is represented as there exists x, a number x such that x square minus 4x equal to 16. Now we shall discuss the negation of statements involving quantifier. Following are two formula for the negation of quantifiers. Let for all xp, p is statement, and there exist xp be two universal, this is universal quantifier and this is existential quantifier of the statement P. The negation of these quantifiers follow the following formula. Here, number one, negation of for all xp equal to there exists x negation of p. Here we apply negation outside, then it becomes for all x becomes there exist and negation enter inside the bracket. Similarly, negation there exists xp, there exists x becomes for all x and negation p. These are the two important formula for negation. Now we solve some problems. Problems is form the negation of each of the following statements. Number A, this is the problem. Problem is for all positive integer x, we have x plus 2 greater than 8. We have to make its negation. Given that P is a statement such that x plus 2 greater than 8, where x is a positive integer. The symbolic form of the given question is for all positive integer x, we have x greater than x plus 2 greater than 8. This is the question. And symbolic form of this question is for all xp, p means for all x, x plus 2 greater than 8. We have to make its negation. We know the formula. Negation for all xp equal to there exists x negation p. Here, meaning of this, there exists a positive integer x such that negation of p is x plus 2 is not greater than 8. This is the answer. Now, number B question. All men are honest or some men are thieves. Let P is a statement which says that men are honest. Q is another statement, men are thieves. The symbolic form of the given question in terms of quantifier is, question is all men are honest. So we write for all xp, p is the men are honest, here for all men are honest. Or means disjunction. Some men are thieves. Some means existential. There exist x, q. We have to make its negation. Negation of for all x, p disjunction there exists q. So by De Morgan's law, this negation enters negation for all xp, here it disjunction is changed into conjunction, negation there exists q. Now we have the formula for negation. Here it will be there exists x and negation p. Here will be for all x negation q. Meaning of this, negation of p means p is men are honest, negation of p be men are not honest, and negation of q men are thieves, men are not thieves. Here we have existential symbol. There exists a man who is not honest, meaning of this, and this is and all men are not thieves. Negation of q, men are thieves, so men are not thieves, all men are not thieves. Next question is, there is at least one person who is happy all the time. There is at least means existential quantifier. Let P is a statement which says one person who is happy all the time. Symbolic form of the given question. There exists at least means there exists x p, one person who is happy all the time. We have to make its negation. We know that negation of there exists x p equal to for all x negation of p. This meaning of this is no person is happy all the time, or all persons are not happy all the time. Our next question is, the sum of any two integer is an even number. Any means universal quantifier. Let P is a statement which says that sum of two integer is an even number. Symbolic form of the given question, for any means for all xp means for all x sum of two integer is an even integer. We have to make its negation. We know that negation of for all xp equal to there exists x negation p. Meaning of this, there exist two integers whose sum is not an even integer, is not, here not, is an even integer. Now question is, at least one student does not live in dormitories. At least one, existential quantifier. Let P is a statement, students live in dormitories. The symbolic form of the given question, here at least one, there exists x, does not live, negation p. Student lives in dormitories, negation is students do not live in dormitories. Negation of P. Formula of this, there exists X, negation P means negation for all XP. Therefore, we have to make negation. Negation of this means negation of this. Negation of this is negation cancel out. So, for all XP. This means all students live in dormitories. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.